Good morning, children. This is Shobal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with a chapter 4, that's about basic geometrical ideas. So, as of now, we have completed till question number 5 of exercise 4.3. So, here we are going to give a start of exercise 4.4, question number 1. Let us understand this question. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a Q in its exterior. So, children, we are asked to draw a triangle. Name of this triangle is ABC. A, B, and C. So, I drew a triangle ABC, and we are asked to mark a point P in its interior. So, this is the point P in its interior, and a point Q in its exterior. This is the point Q in its exterior. Is this point A in its exterior or interior? So the point vertex A, this is the vertex A, whether it is interior the figure or exterior of the figure. So children, this point A, it's neither interior nor exterior. This point is neither interior nor exterior. This point is on the figure or on the line. Okay, so we have to answer the point A is on the line. It's neither interior nor exterior. Now children, question number 2. Identify 3 triangles in this figure. We are given a triangle. Let us draw the triangle, children. As it's we know that it's compulsory to draw the triangle using pencil and ruler. Pen cannot be used. So this is a triangle. Name of this triangle is A, B, C, and D, in which there are 3 triangles. As we can see, the first one is the bigger triangle ABC. Okay, so the bigger one, the first triangle, the bigger one, that is triangle ABC. Next one is this triangle ABD. Okay, next one is triangle ADC. Triangle A, D, and C. So children, we have written all 3 triangles. Write the names of the 7 angles. Okay, now question is that how to write the angles. As there are 7 angles they have asked to write, children, we will write the complete name of the angles. First is this one. Name of this angle is angle A, B, D. We know that how we should name the angles. The angle in which the angle is formed, that vertex should be in the middle. So it is angle ABD. Now this angle ADB, angle ADB. Next one is this angle BAD, angle BAD. Next angle this one, angle ADC, angle ADC. Next one is this one, angle ACD, angle ACD. Next is this angle CAD, and next one is this, the bigger one, angle BAC. So children, here the name of all these 7 angles written. Now the next one is write the names of 6 line segments. From this figure we have to name 6 line segment. Children, the first one is AB. First line segment is AB. Then BC, the whole one, BC. Then AC, then AD, okay, then CD. So we have written 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, AB, BC, BD is left. So this one is BD. So BD. So finally, the name of all 6 line segments are written. Now, which two triangles have angle B as common? Now children, from the figure, as we can see, there is angle B. This one, name of this angle is angle B. Angle B lies in which two triangles? Angle B lies in triangle ABD, because triangle ABD has got angle B, as well as the triangle ABC, the bigger one. Triangle ABC has also got the angle B. Alright children, so this is how we have to deal with this kind of question. So I believe it's absolutely clear to everyone. If there is any doubts and confusion, please let me know. Feel free to speak, and please try out this same and submit the work in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.